Hello, my name is Oyina Ogbonna. I'm an infectious disease epidemiologist with the Harris County Department of Public Health. I specialize in the development of new diagnostic tests, the most recent of them targeting the newly discovered Zika virus. The diagnostic test for this disease is known as the strip color test. But first of all, a little background. The Zika virus is one of the most recently discovered viral infectious diseases. The current statistics indicate that man-made factors such as traveling has increased the chances of spreading the disease to various parts of the world. The Zika virus is usually transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes, but currently epidemiologists have also indicated the possibility of sexual transmission. The strip color test was recently developed and it's the least expensive way of testing for the Zika virus. It involves a simple and painless process compared to the existing methods of testing for Zika virus. The process involves a white and blue strip where the blue part changes color to red in the presence of the virus and remains blue in the absence of the virus. The doctor only requires a pricking needle to take 2 to 3 droplets of blood for testing from the index finger, and then places the blood on the white part, and with the help of some alcohol content, it would diffuse to blue parts and change colors in the presence of the disease. A representative sample of 10,000 were obtained and the strip color test was conducted to determine its accuracy of diagnosing the Zika virus. The 2x2 table shows a summary of the outcome of the test. The sensitivity is discussed in this slide. Sensitivity equals to 1,274 over 1,400 times 100, which is 91%. This demonstrates the likelihood that a person with the Zika virus disease tests positive is 91%. The specificity of the strip color test in the below table shows that 1,357 over 8,600 times 100 equals to 15.8%, demonstrating the likelihood that a person with no disease and Zika virus test negative equals 15.8%. This is why we believe that the strip color test is an effective and less expensive way and painless way for testing the Zika virus. Thank you.